Hello, welcome to my channel Preschool Made Easy. I'm here again with a new video. In this video, I will show how can you protect your articles from moisture or dust for years. This video is very useful for you. These are some paper articles. I've made very easy articles to show you. Now we will protect these articles. So for this you need lamination sheet. You can buy this from stationery shop. Now, according to your article, you have to cut the sheet. You will need 2 sheets of the same size. I'm taking around 18-inch sheet. I will place 2 or 3 articles at a time. Cut 2 sheets of the same size. One side of this lamination sheet is rough and the other side is smooth. So keep the rough side up and place your articles. This mango is big. I will take the smaller one. Flower is quite fine. Now place second sheet over these articles. This time keep the smooth side up. Now keep a newspaper over this and iron for few minutes. I have set the cotton temperature of the iron. Flip this sheet and again iron this lamination sheet. Sheet has become stiff and hard. You can cut this article according to the shape. Now this has become safe. Water, moisture or dust won't spoil your article. I'm cutting other shapes too. Now these will last for long. I'm doing the same with the other articles also. I've cut all these articles. You can stick this anywhere with transparent tape, or you can use double-sided tape.
Pineapple breeze.
If you want to hang this article, you can punch a hole and tie a ribbon to hang this article. Now you can hang this. This will look very nice and very beautiful. Moisture or dust won't spoil this article. So these articles will last for long. By using a thumb pin, you can reuse the articles for soft boards. You can reuse the articles for teaching in stories and in many more ways. If you want me to show the tutorial of these articles, please let me know in the comment box. If you have any problem or if you want to ask anything, you can ask me in the comment box. Thanks for watching my video. Subscribe my channel for more videos. Please like, comment and share this with your friends. Have a nice time.